Welcome, today in front of me Blackview BV6600E, and I'll show you how to turn off always on display feature on this device. So let's first unlock the device, and after that tap here to the message application, switch the AOD section to settings, and tap here to the always on display. Now just to turn off always on display feature, click here once on the switcher, and here we can see that all of the options they are blocked. And now when we lock the device, we can see that the AOD feature is successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.